What if I told you that saving your first $10,000 is actually harder than saving your next $100,000? Most people think they need a higher income to build wealth. But the truth is, your income matters less than your habits. Here's exactly how to save your first $10,000. Step 1. Track every dollar. Most people don't know where their money goes. Small daily expenses like coffee, food delivery, and impulse shopping quietly drain your bank account. For the next 30 days, track every dollar you spend. You can't improve what you don't measure. Step 2. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck arrives, save money first, not last. Even if it's just 10% of your income, treat your savings like a monthly bill you must pay. Consistency builds wealth, not perfection. Step 3. Increase your income. You can only cut so many expenses, but your income has no real limit. Learn a new skill. Start a side hustle. Freelance online. Work extra hours if you can. The bigger the gap between what you earn and what you spend, the faster you'll reach $10,000. The secret to building wealth. Your first $10,000 isn't just about money. It's proof that you've built the habits of a financially successful person. Track your spending. Save first. Earn more. Stay consistent. Because once you reach your first $10,000, building wealth becomes much easier. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more personal finance tips. And remember, your future wealth depends on the choices you make today.